To me, it means there's hope at this kind of coming to an end. We've been fighting this for a while now, and everyone's tired of it. But now, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, which gives me hope.
I think it's important to get vaccinated just because it's one sure way of making sure that your loved ones are protected and yourself along with it, and the community that you live along with it.
To get the vaccine, that's how we vaccine for flu, we vaccine for the smallpox, for measles, for all different types of vaccines, and a lot of those are no longer around or very limited. So I feel the vaccine is going to be very beneficial and helpful.
There's been a tremendous amount of discussion about various medications being used. There's novel medications, there's repurposed medications. All of them will just have very incremental effects. I think none of them will actually be effective at resolving the pandemic. Vaccination and actually getting the disease are the only ways of ending things and getting back to, something that we can do after COVID.
I know there's a lot of skepticism about the vaccine out there, and I know we've been fighting this pandemic with no tools since the beginning of this year, and the vaccine has infected millions of people and has taken the lives of hundreds of thousands of people and continues to be rampant. We never had any tools to fight this virus. We were doing it all alone. Now we have a great tool in the form of a vaccine that the FDA approved as very safe and effective with close to 95% efficacy. The vaccine is going to only be impactful if we could get the upwards of 70% of our population vaccinated. I would like to urge everyone out there to contribute to the collective safety and success of our country by becoming vaccinated.
In my opinion, I wouldn't take anything that I felt it was unsafe. I certainly wouldn't let my family take anything that I feel is unsafe, nor would I encourage my co-workers to do so, people that I work with on a daily basis, if I felt that there was any kind of a major risk.
I would tell people on the fence that getting a vaccine with some possible side effects is way better than being intubated. A lot of people don't realize the realities of being intubated, and it's horrible. I feel like that is one of the worst things one can go through, and if I have to deal with a little, some side effects from the vaccine, I would much rather do that than go through all of the medical procedures and everything that go along with being intubated and the long recovery process after.
The main side effect is going to be, you may have a headache, you may have pain at the injection site, you may have some fatigue, but all those compared to what COVID really actually does to you is nothing compared to that. So I would encourage everybody to get the vaccine.